G'day guys, Chef Guy Turland here from Bondi Harvest, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious, sustainable octopus salad using figs, buckwheat, halloumi, pistachios, fennel, herbs and pomegranate. So lots of beautiful, amazing, in-season, bright ingredients. And the most important part to this recipe is the octopus. And I want to talk to you about sustainable seafood. So if you're out at the market, if you're at the supermarket or the fishmonger and you're looking for sustainable seafood, I suggest you do two things. First and foremost is build a relationship with your fishmonger and ask the question, is my seafood sustainable and where does it come from? The second thing is look for the MSC blue tick. So MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, means that your seafood has been fished and sourced sustainably. It means that your hard-earned money goes back to the fishermen and fisherwomen that are doing the right thing, that are protecting our ocean and that are making sure that we have an abundance of seafood for many years to come, so that my children and your children can enjoy delicious seafood, but can also enjoy the beauty that wonderful nature brings. So look for that blue tick. Start a conversation with your fishmonger and always buy sustainable seafood, no matter where you are in the world. For our octopus recipe, what we need is beautiful octopus. I'm using Fremantle MSC certified octopus. These tentacles are tender, they're delicious, and Fremantle octopus is world class. So we have some buckwheat, we've got ourselves some figs, we've got some halloumi, we have some pomegranate, some fennel, some bay leaves, and a whole bunch of beautiful herbs. So lots of stunning ingredients. And the first step is I'm going to teach you how to boil octopus, why you're boiling it, how to impart flavour, and how simple it is to cook octopus at home. So when cooking octopus, you want to make sure that you have a large pot of boiling water. And the reason you want a large pot is you want lots of heat. You don't want that water to cool down when you add your octopus. While our water is coming up to the boil, we're going to make sure it's really well seasoned. So add some salt into your pot of water. We're going to add some rosemary, some coriander seed, some black pepper, and we're going to add some fennel seed in there as well. I'm also going to add 1 lemon in there. Infuse that flavour into the water, which is then going to infuse into the octopus. And then we want to bring that to the boil. Once your water has come to the boil, now it's time to add your octopus. Dunk them in there a few times, so don't just chuck it straight in there. We're just going to dunk in the tentacles. 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then pull it out. And what this does is it lets those tentacles kind of come to temperature, but also those proteins end up shrinking and curling, and we get a really nice shape. And your occy should cook nice and even, okay? Lid back on, and I'm gonna cook this beautiful Fremantle sustainable octopus for about an hour. And what's happening in this pot is all of that flavor is transferring into the octopus, but the octopus itself, there's a chemical transfer. So the collagen that is the octopus is now transferring into gelatin over time with the reaction of heat, okay? So 1 hour, we're gonna simmer and boil that away until our octopus is really soft, tender, and gelatinously goodness. While our octopus is cooking away, we are going to create a really nice, delicious, light, seasonal salad with heaps of beautiful, fresh ingredients. We have some gorgeous fennel. I'm just going to dice and slice that up into some cool shapes. Just going to slice some figs in quarters, heirloom tomatoes in half. Then we have some buckwheat, it's been soaked. We've got some stunning herbs. So we have some gorgeous watercress, some stunning mint, and some really fresh parsley. Some stunning pomegranate. So in a warm pan, add a generous amount of olive oil, then add your halloumi and grill it until it's gorgeous and caramelized on both sides. Our stunning halloumi as well. Just gently going to mix all of those ingredients together. Once your gorgeous MSC certified octopus has been cooking for about an hour 15, just using a pair of tongs, pick it up and look, oh my God, look how tender that is, it's falling apart. All of that collagen has turned to gelatin and it's ready to be pulled out. So just carefully, set of tongs, just pull your octopus out and just set it aside to cool down. And people often ask, how do you know when your octopus is ready? Grab yourself a sharp little paring knife and we're just going to stab it in there and see if that knife kind of falls in to that beautiful octopus nice and easily. Another easy way is to literally just cut a bit off the octopus and have a taste and have a look. And then we're just gonna top it with our gorgeous poached octopus. And there you have it, guys, my gorgeous octopus, pomegranate and grilled halloumi salad using Fremantle Sustainable Octopus, MSC certified. Do me a favor, give this recipe a crack, and next time you're shopping for seafood, build a relationship with your fishmonger. Look for the MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, blue tick, and it means that your seafood is sustainable. It means that you are doing your part for the ocean, the environment, and our future. Peace out, cook lots, stay safe, and I'll see you next recipe. Yew.